We're going to start off this morning by trying a little challenge. At this point in time, we've learned how to use the drawing tool, we've learned how to use costumes, and we certainly know how to add sound. So we're going to put those three things together to have you create a little introduction of yourself. So as you can see in my video here, I have done a very good drawing of myself. Maybe I was a little generous with the hair up top, but I think it looks pretty much like me. So what I'm going to do is click on this and let you see what it does, and then I'll run you through it quickly and I'll get you to try the same thing.
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
Okay, short and sweet. I've got my drawing with multiple costumes, and each costume has a different shaped mouth. I've recorded myself saying a line introducing myself as Mr. Kempton, and when I click on my face,
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
I say my lines. Okay, so I'll take you through a little tour of how this works, and I'll get you to try and do the same thing. Draw your face, make a minimum of 5 different mouth costumes, and then create or record your own statement and introduce yourself to me. So let's start with my character. So I'm on sprite number 1, which I should call myself. So I'm going to change the name to Mr. Kempton. And on this sprite, I'm going to look at my costumes. So let's zoom back a little bit. So costume number 1, object for hair, object for face, individual ears are different objects, obviously, and eyes and eyebrows are different objects, and I put my facial hair as an object. And the key here is a single line for my drawing of my mouth. So I have my starting position with my mouth essentially closed. And then I duplicated that, and remember how to duplicate. Control, click, and choose duplicate. And my second image, I simply took the mouth, let's zoom in on that a little bit, and I took the nodes and I just simply made it wider. So I can make the mouth look like it's opening wider. And then I duplicated that one, and this time I simply took the mouth shape and I pulled it in on both sides. So the mouth was open wide, but not as wide from side to side. I duplicated that one more time, made one more larger mouth shape, and then the last one I duplicated, deleted it, and put in the O-looking mouth. And when you put that all together...
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
All right, so the drawing part and the costume part shouldn't be too difficult. So at this point in time, we're going to go look at our sounds, and I simply chose record, and I recorded my statement. Then my statement is right there, so then it becomes available in my code when I go to sound, recording number 1. If I pull this out and play it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
There we go. So when I sprite or click on this sprite, it plays that recording until it's done. When I click on this sprite, and this might be the most challenging part, I have a series of waits and repeats and switch to next costumes. And I had to use a variety of these bits of puzzle pieces to make the timing look like it fits my statement. So I have a quick one right away, repeat 10 times, show the next costume, and then wait. And then I have another section of repeat 30 times and switch to next costume. So you'll almost see 2 instances when I play this.
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
So there's the first statement, and then a short delay, and then the second statement. And then at the end, I wanted to switch back to my original mouth so that my mouth ends up closed. So that's all there is to it. It's really not super complicated, but it is going to take you a little bit of time to get your different mouth costumes created. And it will certainly take you a little bit of time to play with the different puzzle pieces to make sure your mouth looks like it's following the actual statement. Let's play it one more time before I let you go.
Hello, my name is Mr. Kempton.
Okay. Good luck with that. That will be your morning task. A couple of you have asked me how to save or share your work with me, and I'll create another short video before lunchtime and show you how to do that. Okay, just make sure you're saving your work as you go. File, save now, make sure you give it a name, and for now, as long as you have all your files saved, we should be good.